Hey, did you know that you can officially install the beta version of iOS on your iPhone? So this is like official release from Apple. Everything is legit here. You can just go to Apple website and just search for Apple Beta Software Program, and then you can just participate as a tester. And then yeah, you can just sign up here. So for example, on iPhone, you can go to iOS 16. Um, and you can see what's should be where usually, for example, if it's iOS 16, you can participate in iOS 16.4 or 16.5, I don't 16 points whatever. And then if you install in that, two things, like first, of course, it's a bit risky for you, so your phone can actually start be a bit buggy or laggy. It just depends on the software because it's not completely tested. So yeah, it's just can become buggy. But on the upside, you can get some features faster than someone. So for example, there are some new emojis in iOS 16.4. So you can just, become a beta tester here, and then you will have new emojis faster than your friends, and then you can just send them in Messenger. So I just read it out here in some article from Lifehacker. So yeah, just participate in this Apple's beta program on your phone, sign into your Apple ID, scroll down to get started, tap on enroll your iOS device. Here, scroll down, tap download profile. Once downloaded, open settings, tap the profile, and then just you will be able to update to the next iOS. In this case, it's 16.4, but I guess you can just do it for other releases.